Hi beautiful people, today I bring for you how to braid cornrows. If you're looking for something to put on your hair, I hope you're going to find it here. This is really so quick, nice and beautiful, and the same way it makes you feel so comfortable. So welcome to my channel. If you're first time to find this channel, don't forget subscribe, comment and like and share for more beautiful hairstyle. So I'm always here, but today I bring for you this. Now you can see if you want to learn how to make it, how to braid these cornrows. I hope you're going to find it here. You have to be attentive if you want to learn something here. So guys, you can see it's really so simple, it's really so quick and makes you feel so comfortable. So guys, it's important thing, it's not heavy on your hair, on your head. So you can see guys, if you want to learn how to do it, you can learn here. So guys, I hope you're going to like it, and I bring for you free video here. On this video I bring for you different way how to do. So guys, you can see it's really so quick and beautiful. You can see guys, and another thing is protective hair. So if you decided to braid this, it's protect your hair and your hair actually grow if you decided to use this fashion, or if you decided to braid this cornrows. So guys, don't forget subscribe, share, comment and like. If you're first time to find this channel, don't forget about that to subscribe to my channel. I hope you're going to like it, you're going to enjoy the video. So don't forget, I bring for you free video, so you can watch the video up to end so that you can find something. If you don't like this, there is another version, but this is really so nice and makes you feel so comfortable. Anywhere you go, you can feel so comfortable with this hairstyle. So I suggest, if you can use this. It's really so quick, nice and beautiful, elegant. So if you decided to use this, and there is another version, it is a cornrows. Even the other video is cornrows. Another video, it's braids, bob braids. So make sure to watch the video up to end so that you can find something to put on your hair. Enjoy the video up to end, and God bless you more. Don't forget subscribe, comment and like for more beautiful hair. Now you can see it's really so quick, easy. You can see she's really looks so beautiful. She's really looks so elegant, cute. You can see her, and it really makes her feel so comfortable. Enjoy the video up to end. God bless you more.